One thing I get asked quite regularly is why, when I export, does my data not make sense? And the primary reason for that is usually that within the markups list, just before exporting, you haven't filtered by the correct column. As you can see here, this markups list is filtered by subject because there's like a blue line under it there. And if I export that, you'll see it's all nice and neat and all grouped together with a little bit more information about how many of each type of markup there are in that particular category. So that's more or less how we want it, and that's sort of the most useful way of outputting. But sometimes people inadvertently filter by a different column. Say if I export that having filtered by measurement, it will still make sense, but let's rename that. It will still make sense, but it will be a lot harder to decipher. So just remember, before you export, make sure that you've filtered by the subject line, because the subject is in essence the tool or the markup that you've used to arrive at that measurement.